Imagine, if one pill could erase your money stress, your messy relationships, and that soul-crushing 9-to-5 fatigue, would you take it? Everyday problems. Heavy, annoying, always there. But what if they just vanished? Say hello to SOMA, one pill, no stress, no boredom, happiness at 100. Reality? Optional. Sounds like sci-fi? Here's the twist. Mr. X already backs a psychedelic pharma company, ATAI Life Sciences. Clinical trials, happening right now, not fantasy. In trials today, possible reality by the 2030s. In here, you're whoever you want. A billionaire, a rock star, a god with perfect abs. Pick your avatar, hit start, win. No failures, no rent due tomorrow, no grind at all. And don't worry about food. Basic income's got you. Enough for coffee, enough for a burger. Not vacation money, not dream-chasing money. But hey, at least you're alive. Congrats. Drugs to erase pain. VR to escape the grind. Cash drip to keep you just comfortable enough. Together, the perfect future package. Paradise carefully designed for you. Meanwhile, politics keeps shouting. I'm the greatest. Everyone loves me. I was born poor. I fight for real people. Cute. But no one's listening. And that's the plan. Everyone's too busy chasing dopamine in VR. Tempting, right? No pain, no stress, no problems. But here's the catch. Aldous Huxley, almost 100 years ago, wrote Brave New World. Fiction then. Feels real now. A society kept calm by one pill. Its name? SOMA. And he wasn't alone. Michael Sandel, Harvard philosopher. Meritocracy divides. Yuval Harari, global best-selling historian. A useless class fed by VR and pills. Nick Bostrom, Oxford futurist. AI could take control. So ask yourself, what's the cost of happiness at 100%? And more importantly, who's designing this future? Find out in part 2, The Shadow. Mr. X behind it all. Thanks for watching Soralexia, where nonsense meets meaning.